Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. I want to dedicate this one to all of the mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day. You are amazing what you do for us. We appreciate it. And I want to specifically dedicate this to my own mother. Ma, you're amazing. Thank you so much. This is your doggo. I love her to pieces. And this time lapse and video is dedicated to you. I do hope everyone has a nice Mother's Day. Please spend some time with your mother, call her on the phone, whatever it is, make something special because they deserve it. Guys, we're drawing Mocha. This is my mother's dog, as mentioned. She's currently 13 and a half, so she's kind of getting up there. The photo that I'm drawing of her was probably when she was about maybe 4 or 5 or somewhere in that ballpark. And I've always loved this dog. She is a Cocker Spaniel. She is a tri-color Cocker Spaniel. So in a moment here you'll see there are 3 colors. She's mostly black. She's got the white on the belly like a cartoon character, and she's got the beige eyebrows, and so she's quite a cutie. I always loved the Cocker Spaniels. Before this we had another Cocker Spaniel, and she was a traditional color, the beige. Mocha's amazing. I love her to pieces. I remember when we first got her, it must have been around 2005. I was going on this trip to Europe, and Mocha was just a pup, and she would just follow me around and chew in my socks. And ever since then, you know, our friendship has grown closer and closer. I don't get to see her as much as I would like to because she is quite far away. And so my mother's doing a good job. She's taking care of the Mocha, and we call her the Mokes. She's gone a little bit maybe senile, perhaps in her old age. She is currently blind pretty well and deaf. So imagine that, the poor Mocha. But she's still a cutie and we love her to pieces. In the background of this drawing, I did want to put in something a little bit extra, a little Easter egg. You'll see myself skateboarding in the background there. That home here that you see in this photo, that's the balcony. And this is where I grew up pretty well, and this is where I learned how to skateboard. Skateboarding was a big chapter of my life as a teenager, and so that just this drawing and this dog and everything about it sort of demonstrates how my mother has been extremely supportive, bringing doggos into the home whom our family has always loved. I know that I have always loved dogs, and then supporting me as a skateboarder, supporting me as an artist, always with the hobbies that I've had. My mother has been extremely supportive. All of the endeavors, both here on YouTube and real life, as a school teacher, all of this stuff. So I really love my mother. Thank you, Mom, you're amazing. And I'm gonna let the time lapse continue to play, and then I've got a couple of surprises at the end of the video. Okay, let's do this. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that there is a finished drawing of Mocha. The Mocha, the Mokes, the Mokerd. We have a variety of nicknames for her, but she's amazing, love her to pieces. This drawing was completed on Twitch, which is where I have been doing the daily live streams. So every evening around 7 Central Standard Time, I do go live. So if you guys want to check it out, you're more than welcome. You know, I can interact with people in real time, right? It's all live. After using pencil colors for several months over there on Twitch, I started getting a little bit more into painting. So I took a 3x3 inch canvas that you can see here, and I painted Mocha. This took around 4 hours. You know, it's a lot of time for something so small, but I wanted to stretch that out a little bit further, and I took a 5" by 5" canvas, and I did this in 4 hours. And then I started doing some large canvas paintings, ladies and gentlemen. And so I finished this one of Mocha. Hello! And this is a 16 by 20 inch canvas, and it's kind of hard to show you all at once on this particular camera, but here you can see the 16 by 20 inch painting of Mocha. And so this will also be brought home when I go home for the summer holidays to visit the mother and siblings, father, all of these things. So I do enjoy both mediums, and I plan to continue doing more paintings, because painting is something that is really inspiring me right now. But also on Twitch, I have been drawing your guys' pets, right? So if you join the Discord, which I'll leave a link down below, I know it's a lot, but I've been drawing people's pets. So they've been submitting their pets on the Discord, and I've gone through a variety of them. Some of them are drawn in pencil color, while some of them have been Copic. These These take around an hour to 2 hours to complete. If you buy a print, then I'll ship your doggo drawing or cat drawing or whichever with it for free, ladies and gentlemen. That's a nice way for me to get more action on my Etsy page. But again, the whole point of this video is to thank my mother for being so amazing. So thank you, Mom. This is a gift for you as well as the painting. And then I'll bring these for the siblings perhaps. You see, we'll give these away to someone somehow, some way. That's it for this video. Subscribe if you're new. My name is Kitslam. Welcome to the Slam Fam. And I'll see you in the next one.